If you struggle to make Kompa Gouyad, this video is exactly for you. I will share tricks and methods to master that and take your Zouk production to the next level. Let's hear something which we are going to learn how to make it. We are going to learn through FL Studio, but you can follow along with your software. Let's have some fun. Because we are using software, we must divide our task into two parts. First is to drum groove, second instrument groove. When they sync together, we get something cool. Let's start with kicks groove. Here I have main drum loop. I'm going to clone and make little changes and get at least 3 or 4 new identical patterns. Here I'm starting building the groove. I have an idea on my mind, so it's just of the matter to draw them here. My ideas come easily because I listen to Kompa Zouk from famous producers to get inspiration. You want to be good at Zouk production, listen to Zouk music every day. Make sure you solo a few instruments and start drawing what your mind thinking. Feel free to go crazy. It takes time but not forever because we force analog things through a digital interface. These things, people hire a real drummer. drum pad on my MIDI keyboard, I do drum mapping, and it's cut down the time compared to this method of drawing by mouse. I noticed that 60% of people who are watching my videos have not yet subscribed. If you are one of them, please subscribe. That will encourage me to do more videos. Okay, you learn how we make drum groove. Now it's a time to learn to adjust the bass and play synth solo. Let us start with the bass. The aim here is to give you an idea of how the bass must change to bring up the vibe. Now I will play the Kompa synth. I have my custom Kompa solo sound I designed. Alright, thank you so much. If you have reached this far means you are interested in my tutorial. If that true, please subscribe my channel. Because I noticed that 60% of people who are watching my videos have not yet subscribed. If you are one of them, please subscribe. That will encourage me to do more videos. Because I noticed that 60% of people who are watching my videos have not yet subscribed. If you are one of them, please subscribe. That will encourage me to do more videos.